There's Mommy and Colton. Say hi.
Wash your hands. I'll do it how I want my hands.
I keep hearing this girl saying, "Mommy." So that black one right there is Tiny. That other black one is Poopy Butt. That one is Elsa. Here. I'll try to do a video where I can. Hi. What's that? What's that, Joel? What are you doing? What are you doing? What you doing? But look in nature. Their coop is in here. Ew. Look at all that. Look at. That's where now they sleep up on these like bars. What did you and Poopy Butt? Hi, Poopy. Okay, that is it. Okay. So, hey guys, I am in my chicken coop. The chicken coop. And first, I'm going to tell you what the chickens' names are and just show you all of their little girls. We hope they're girls, so.
They're all girls, I think.
Come here. What? I know, it's fine. First, I go in order, so I do like the tiniest. I need tiny. I'll go this way.
Careful, it's muddy there.
Okay. Hey, hello, tiny princess. So, here is Tiny Princess. Whee!
She was just tiny because she's the smallest, but Riley added princess, so now she's tiny princess.
She's my little princess.
Look at Oreo. He sees there's a bottle up there. He was trying to get it. It's empty.
And so, her name is Tiny Princess. She used to have baby feathers, and all of these had they're bigger feathers. So once the chickens were in the woods, and I tried to get them out with a rake, so I tried to scoop it up. But I chased Tiny, and I came over here, and she was on the roof, the feeding roof, and I was like, "Hi, Tiny," and we were probably in the pool, and I just saw her, and she was still on the roof. I'm like, poor baby.
Oh, yeah.
So, she was the only one once, but
Is that your favorite one?
yeah.
Ew, she just dropped a deuce.
My nanny taught us that.
Dropped a deuce.
Drop the deuce.
That's what chickens do. They peck and poop.
Hi, chickies. Mommy hosed off the concrete.
Hello.
Yeah, I don't like the chicken poop, so I hose it off every day. Try to.
And
Hey, I just came in to
that's
get
all
you,
for
Poopy.
Tiny Princess. I love Poopy Butt. She's
Poopy's outside.
Okay, Poopy. Here is the Tiny Princess. Here is Poopy Butt. She used to have a Poopy Butt when she was little, but now she doesn't. Look at her feathers. Poopy Butt. My name is Poopy Butt.
Gentle.
Okay.
Careful, she'll
And this
peck your
is
face.
a Colton Careful. This is my mom's favorite one and my dad's because she used to not be loved and we did not pick her up a lot because she had a poopy butt. And yeah. And she was in the woods. It was the only one that was tiny out. Colton, open the chicken coop. And yeah, so it became mommy and daddy's favorite because she was not really loved. But I still love her. Poopy stops. And I really just love her feathering. It's just so pretty. Which chicken next? Stop, buddy. And
He's just
then,
trying to help you.
yeah, she is just a beautiful girl. And I think they have eyelashes, but Poopy Princess. You're the Poopy Princess. There you go. So that's all for Poopy, but
Which one? Now.
Joel.
Okay.
And Tractor. Mom, I put Joel in there because that was the next one.
Oh, good. Oh, gentle, gentle.
Joel.
She's like, nope.
Try to get Joel.
I need
You go that way.
I need hand sanitizer. I just touched my. She like
Ew.
Colton.
You guys are gonna need baths after this.
Joel.
So close. When her wings flopped, it was like.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, look at
So, guess what? The chickens are going in the woods.
Watch, stick your fingers over. There you go. Rocky's chewing on your dress.
See,
chewing on Jesse's dress.
little. Wait, Rocky. Wait, do it again. I didn't see his teeth. I need to back up. Okay, I need to hold on. Okay. Wait again.
Show them what the goats do. Still got a couple more things we want to get, but so far this is what we have.
They do not like the sand.
Yeah, they don't like the sand in the tires.
There's chicken poop, I guess.
Yeah, the chickens got in here.
Always get in there and dig out the hay.
Yeah.
That chicken. Don't touch it. Don't touch chickens.
Yeah, we're in the woods.
The goats. So they do that. He's looking at it.
He's like, what's on my ramp here? My bridge. What are you doing, Rocky? Show us some tricks, Rock.
Fashion show. Fashion show. Let's do a fashion show. It's your fashion show. Do your fashion show. Do your fashion show. Do your fashion show. That was a good fashion show, bro. Now we just want them to go here, 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 and then there. This is their spotlight. You know what? This is what they're gonna do sometimes. They're gonna go up this ramp. Fashion show.
Good job, Rocky.
Come on. Come on. I put him up there.
I saw.
Oh, sometimes there's chairs there. Of course. Chicken. I'm not sure.
Well, he wants you to sit
Today's when they're chubby.
when they're chubby. Hi.
When the chickens go and
Okay.
fashion show. Oh, he didn't. They don't like to go on the tires.
No, that's all right.
We see they do fashion show. You can do fashion show. They only go on the tire part, but not really go on the tires a lot.
Yeah.
Now we jump on the. Now it's your turn to go on this side. Oops. It's your turn to go on here.
What you doing?
Fashion show, fashion show, fashion.
The brothers. Hi. What are you doing?
Now we want Gerda goats. We want 2 more goats.
You do. I don't
We
want
put
any
them
right
in
now.
the pool a couple days ago.
We did. They didn't like to swim.
They liked it a little. Mommy just grabbed a gun.
What
What are you doing? Can we do it again today?
no, probably not. That was a one-time thing.
When they grow up, get a new goats. But we're not getting rid of them till they gone. When the chickens die, we get new ones.
Maybe.
Little baby fluffy ones. Watch our old videos. They were so tiny. They were like tiny.
Yeah, they're little fluff balls.